In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on the text cursor indicator effect on your Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Select accessibility on the left panel, and then on the right side underneath vision, select where it says text cursor. Where it says text cursor indicator, click and set it over one time and toggle to the on position, and that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.